In this video, we're going to show you how you can create and define new layers of data through the GIS Editor. So to get started, go to the Edit tab, and then you'll want to click on the New Layer button on the ribbon bar. This will bring up a dialog that allows you to define the attribute data for the layer you'll be creating. But the first thing you need to do is define what layer type you're going to create. So for example, if we were going to draw some fields here, farm fields, we need to change this to area. But if we were going to draw some roads, we'd probably want to change this to line, or if we're going to do some points of interest, we'd want to change this to point or multi-point. For this case, we'll just choose area. The next is you give yourself a layer name, so we're going to call this farm fields. And then the next thing you need to do is decide what columns you want to have on your layer. So for example, let's say we probably want to have a name. Then you got to choose your data type, so you have several to choose from. String will be what we use for our name because it's just a text value. So we'll give it 50 characters. That should cover most names. And let's add another one. Let's call this one yield. And let's make it a double. And let's give it a length of, let's say 10 digits and 4 decimals. Okay, so now we've created a basic structure for what columns we want to hold in our layer. The last thing you just need to do is browse to where you want to save this new layer file on your hard disk or your file system and hit OK. Once it's saved, that empty layer will be added to your map if you choose to, and then you can just choose Layer to edit the new one that you just created here and start drawing the features in and then populating the attribute data as you complete each item. I hope this video gives you a general idea of how you can create your own layers and define the various columns and data types for that layer. Thank you.